Hey everyone, so Lick Friday week 353-ish, I think, probably, should be. So please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing if you do like this video, and if you do like it that much, then please share it with all your friends on your social media. The jamming track is coming up at the end of the video. It's a full track this time, but you can also find it on YouTube anyway, so it's free, it's on Apple Music, Amazon, etc. Comprises of blues scale, that is it. It's just the way it's being played and the speed that you're playing it, which is the killer part with this lick. But it is an awesome lick, kind of I suppose Nuno Betancourt-ish. I don't know, you be the judge of that when you play it or hear it. But yeah, talking about hearing it, it's coming up now. Okay, so tricky in many ways because of the speed of it, the fluency of it, and the way in which you're going to pick it and tackle it. But essentially what we've got is just the blues scale, those notes, and it's the pattern which is going to be the killer. So we start off with 3 notes on the G string, so on that 3rd string, so you've got the 12, 14, 15. Then to the 12 on the 2nd string, back to the 15, the blues note on the 3rd string, back to the 12 on that 2nd string, pull off from the 12, 15 2nd string, running down the blues scale, so that's basically 15, 14, 12 on the 3rd string, and then to the 14 on the 4th string, flipping that same finger to the 3rd string, to the 14, back to the 14 on that 4th string, and then you've got 12 3rd, 14, 12 on the 4th, 14 on the 5th, flipping that same finger to the 4th string, same fret, 14, back to the 14 on the 5th, and then you've got 12 on the 4th, 14 on the 5th, sliding that down to the 12 on the same string, pulling off to the 10, same string obviously, and then finishing with the root note, the E, on that 12th fret on the thick E string. And that is your lick. So I'm going to try and play it slow now. So it goes 3 and 4 and... There you go. Backing track is available on YouTube, or you can wait until the end of the video for the full one. There you go. It's all free there for you to listen to now and jam along with. Such a great track. Anyway, back to me. At the end again. So, once again, share, like, subscribe, hit the bell button, go and visit the website for the tab, dansguitar.com, and yeah, tell all your friends on social media. Plug, and come and visit me on Instagram as well. You'll find me on there. That's about it, so I'm not going to ramble on too much, and thank you very much for continually watching these videos, and enjoy the summer. See you in a bit. I'll see you next week probably. Anyway, there you go. Bye. It's hot. See ya.